What size wheel spacers does the Ford Bronco have? In the market, there are 25mm to 70mm wheel spacers for Ford Bronco. For an OEM setup, 25mm to 35mm wheel spacers are the best size to get the perfect first stance. To achieve a sporty look, you can use 40mm spacers on all 4 tires. After installing Ford Bronco spacers, many people doubt that if the protruding OEM stud cause rubbing issues or not. Should I cut the OEM stud for wheel spacers? Actually, about 30mm Bronco spacers don't need to trim the stud. The before and after effect that Ford wheel spacer brings is obvious. By moving the tires out a few millimeters, they make the vehicle look sporty and muscular. Many Bronco owners offer combined wheel spacers with wider all-terrain tires or a lift kit to get the more clear ones and a more interesting look. Besides, rim spacers are components that increase the track width. A wider track enables your tires to grab the road surface better, and the resistance to roll over enhanced. What Ford Bronco spacers can I trust? If you have ever checked if the studs that are present in the Ford Bronco spacers, you will find that there are different heat shapes. When under high temperature and stress, the stud will loosen and skip if they cannot be fastened. This causes safety issues. That is why most cheap casting Ford Bronco spacers often use semi-crucial or oval-shaped studs to prevent loosening. Brands that focus on quality and performance are very strict in raw materials and manufacturing processes. BONOSS Sport Active Cooling Ford Bronco spacers are made of high-strength 606T6 and 705T6 aluminum alloy materials, undergo thousands of tons of pressure. The forging process makes their integrity in structure more durable and more resistant to corrosion and oxidation. So, the wheel stud of BONOSS Sport Active Cooling spacers are homegrown hand. They are frame pressed in the spacers. You don't need to worry about any loosening issues. If you are trying to achieve a unique sporty appearance, a set of BONOSS Sport Active Cooling Ford Bronco spacers are perfect for you.